So 10 days ago, I ordered a new keyboard that everybody was giving good reviews about online, and finally it arrived. And so unboxing it, you get your protective foam, which is necessary for all parcels and packages. And of course, along with your keyboard, you get your wire, your prongs for switching out the keycaps and switches, and your alternative keycaps. But with a keyboard, there are a lot of much better unboxing videos out there, and I'd recommend you give those a look if you want to get a really good feel of what it looks like and yeah, how cool it looks. My favorite part about unboxing new technology, new products, is always the nice clean finish that they have. So at some stage I might put out a video just detailing my thoughts and opinions on the keyboard. Also have a Logitech G915, so I might compare those two and see which one is better.